Think you're doing push-ups, right? Most people don't. It's like that friend who swears they can sing but then butchers Bohemian Rhapsody at karaoke. We've all been there, awkwardly watching, cringing inside. Don't be that person with push-ups. This simple exercise is a full-body workout disguised as an arm exercise. Master it and you'll unlock a world of fitness gains. Mess it up and, well, let's just say you'll be missing out on some serious muscle-building magic. Push-ups are like the Swiss Army knife of exercises. They work your chest, shoulders, triceps, core, basically everything you need to look good in a t-shirt or that little black dress. No gym? No problem, you can do push-ups anywhere, anytime. They're free, efficient, and seriously effective. Plus, there are endless variations to keep things interesting. Forget boring gym routines, push-ups are here to stay. First things first, let's talk about form. Imagine you're a plank of wood. A strong, sturdy one, of course. Hands shoulder-width apart, directly beneath your shoulders. Fingers pointing forward like you're about to direct traffic. Body in a straight line from head to heels, no sagging hips or bums in the air. Engage your core. Imagine bracing for a playful punch from your mate. This is your starting position, your foundation for push-up greatness. Now for the fun part, the descent. Lower your body down as one unit, like a smooth operator. Keep your elbows tucked in at about a 45-degree angle. Imagine you're trying to sneak your elbows past your ribs without tickling them. Lower down until your chest grazes the floor. This isn't a race, so take it slow and controlled. Feel the burn, feel the muscles working. Good, now hold it right there. Section 5, pushing power. It's all about the glutes. Yes, really. Time to push back up to the starting position. But wait, there's more to it than just pushing up. This is where the magic happens. When you push up, it's not just your arms doing the work. Your entire body is involved, especially your glutes. Engage those glutes, yes. Your bum muscles play a vital role here. They help stabilize your body and maintain that perfect form. Push through your palms, keeping your core engaged and your body in that straight line. Your glutes help keep your hips from sagging or lifting too high. Exhale as you push up, like you're blowing out birthday candles. This helps you maintain control and power throughout the movement. Remember, slow and controlled is the name of the game. Rushing through push-ups can lead to poor form and potential injury. No jerky movements or half-hearted attempts. You've got this. Focus on quality over quantity. Each push-up should be a testament to your strength and control. Think of your glutes as the unsung heroes of the push-up. They provide the stability and power needed to execute each rep flawlessly. And don't forget to enjoy the process. Push-ups are not just a test of strength, but also a way to connect with your body and its capabilities. Whether you're doing push-ups alone or with a group, remember that every rep is a step towards a stronger, more resilient you. So next time you drop down for a set of push-ups, give a little extra love to your glutes. They deserve it. Celebrate each push-up, each moment of engagement, and every bit of progress. You're doing amazing. Section 6. Stop cheating yourself. Common push-up fails. Push-ups are a staple in many fitness routines, but they are often performed incorrectly. Today, we are going to dive into some of the most common push-up mistakes and how to avoid them. Here's where things get interesting. And by interesting, I mean hilariously tragic. It's easy to think you're doing a push-up correctly, but small mistakes can lead to ineffective workouts or even injuries. Let's take a closer look at these common errors. Many people make the same push-up mistakes. Don't be that person. The first mistake is the sagging hips. This is often referred to as the worm. When your hips sag, it puts unnecessary strain on your lower back and reduces the effectiveness of the exercise. Avoid these common fails, the worm, where your hips sag like a droopy hammock. To correct this, engage your core and keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. Imagine a rod running from your head to your feet, keeping everything aligned. The next common mistake is the half rep, like you're scared of getting too close to the ground. This happens when you don't lower yourself all the way down. A proper push-up requires your chest to nearly touch the floor. Half reps might feel easier, but they don't give you the full benefit of the exercise. And then there's the head bobber, like you're trying to get a closer look at something fascinating on the floor. This mistake involves moving your head up and down instead of your entire body. It can strain your neck and doesn't engage your muscles properly. Remember, Quality over quantity always wins. It's better to do fewer push-ups with perfect form than to do many with poor form. Focus on keeping your body straight, engaging your core, and performing each rep slowly and deliberately. This will help you build strength and avoid injury. So, next time you hit the gym, keep these tips in mind and push yourself to do better, not just more. Section 7. Level up your push-up game from beginner to beast. Push-ups can be modified to suit any fitness level. Just starting out, try wall push-ups or incline push-ups, feeling confident. Take it to the floor with standard push-ups, ready to unleash your inner beast. Challenge yourself with decline push-ups, diamond push-ups, or even one-armed push-ups if you dare. Remember, it's a journey, not a race. Start where you are and gradually increase the difficulty. Section 8. Tracking your triumphs progress. Not perfection. Tracking your progress is key to staying motivated. Grab a notebook or use a fitness app. Record the number of push-ups you can do with good form. Don't worry about being perfect, just focus on getting better each time. Celebrate your wins no matter how small. Remember, consistency is key. Even a few push-ups a day can make a big difference over time. Section 9. Setting goals that don't suck. Speaking of motivation, let's talk about setting goals. Setting goals is crucial for achieving success in any fitness journey. Without clear goals, it's easy to lose focus and motivation. Don't just aimlessly say you want to do more push-ups. Be specific. Specificity is key when it comes to goal setting. Instead of saying, I want to get fit, say, I want to be able to do 20 push-ups in a row. Set a realistic and challenging goal that excites you. Your goals should push you out of your comfort zone but still be attainable. This balance keeps you motivated and driven. For example, I want to be able to do 20 perfect push-ups in a row by the end of the month. This is a clear, measurable, and time-bound goal. It gives you something concrete to work towards. Break down your goal into smaller milestones to keep yourself on track. Smaller milestones make a big goal seem less daunting and more achievable. For instance, aim to do 5 push-ups by the end of the first week, 10 by the second week, and so on. Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish. Planning is essential. Write down your goals and the steps you need to take to achieve them. This not only keeps you organized, but also holds you accountable. Regularly, review your progress and adjust your plan as needed. Sometimes you might need to tweak your goals or your approach. That's okay. The important thing is to stay committed and keep moving forward. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. Every milestone you reach is a step closer to your ultimate goal. Recognizing your progress keeps you motivated and reinforces your commitment. Finally, once you achieve your goal, set a new one. The journey to fitness is ongoing. Continuously setting and achieving goals keeps you engaged and ensures long-term success. So remember, set goals that don't suck. Make them specific, realistic, and exciting. Plan your steps, track your progress, and celebrate your achievements. With the right goals, you'll stay motivated and achieve great things. Section 10. Embrace the challenge. You've got this. So there you have it, the ultimate guide to mastering the push-up. Now go forth and conquer this exercise with confidence. Remember, perfect practice makes perfect. Stay consistent, challenge yourself, and most importantly, have fun. You've got this.